3 facts about woodpeckers. Think woodpeckers are just birds that knock on trees? Think again. These birds are nature's tiny jackhammers. 1. Woodpeckers can peck trees incredibly fast. Their skull and tongue work like shock absorbers, protecting their brain from damage. 2. Woodpeckers have super long tongues. This helps cushion the brain and lets them reach deep into holes to grab insects. 3. Woodpeckers don't just peck for food, they also drum on trees to communicate and mark territory. The loud tapping sound is like their way of shouting, "This tree is mine." And here's a funny fact. Some woodpeckers even peck on metal poles and house roofs because louder drumming means better bird bragging rights.